Inside the magic library, Nisa tiptoed to a small wooden table and found a special book waiting for her. Welcome to the Library Challenge Quiz. Let's open the quiz book together.
Question 1. What body part is this? Eyes, ears, mouth. Eyes. Your eyes help you see the world, like flowers, stars, and all your favorite things. Question 2. Can you guess this body part? Hand, nose, toes. Nose. The function of the nose is to smell and breathe. Your nose helps you smell yummy things, like cookies baking and flowers in the garden. Question 3. What do we call this part? Knees, fingers, ears. Ears. Your ears help you hear sweet sounds, like birds singing and stories being read aloud. Question 4. Do you know what this is? Mouth, hand, foot. Mouth. Your mouth helps you eat yummy food, drink water, and smile at your friends. Question 5. Can you guess this body part? Head, hand, foot. Hand. Your hand helps you hold things, like your favorite book, a crayon, or a friend's hand. Question 6. Which part is shown here? Ears, nose, feet. Feet. The function of the foot is to walk and stand. We use our feet to run, jump, and dance. Question 7. What part is at the very top of our body? Head, hand, foot. Head. Your head is where your brain lives, and your brain helps you think and dream. Question 8. Can you name this part? Legs, arms, fingers. Arms. Your arms help you reach for things, give hugs, and wave hello. Question 9. What body part is this? Arms, ears, legs. Legs. The function of the leg is to walk and run. Legs help us kick, jump, and climb. Question 10. Do you know what these are? Fingers, toes, knees. Fingers. Your fingers help you point, count, and hold tiny things, like a little berry. Question 11. Can you name these? Knees, toes, arms. Toes. Your toes help you balance when you stand and wiggle when you're happy. Question 12. What is this? Fingers, ears, tummy. Tummy. Your tummy helps digest the food you eat, so your body can grow strong. Question 13. Guess this body part. Shoulders, legs, nose. Shoulders. Your shoulders hold up your arms and help you wear a backpack. Question 14. What part of the body is this? Elbows, knees, fingers. Knees. Your knees help your legs bend so you can sit down and stand up again. Question 15. Do you know what this joint is? Fingers, ears, elbows. Elbows. The function of the elbow is to bend our arm. Elbows help us wave, draw, and hug. Question 16. What are these white things in our mouth? Teeth, hair, nose. Teeth. Your teeth help you chew food into tiny pieces so your tummy can digest it. Question 17. What is this pink part inside the mouth? Fingers, tongue, nose. Tongue. The tongue helps us speak and taste if something is sweet or sour. Question 18. What do we call these lines above our eyes? Elbows, fingers, eyebrows. Eyebrows. The function of eyebrows is to keep sweat out of our eyes. They help us show happy or surprised faces. Question 19. What are these tiny hairs on our eyelids, eyelashes, ears, hair? Eyelashes. Your eyelashes help keep dust away from your eyes. Question 20. What connects your head to your shoulders? Nose, neck, toes. Neck. The function of the neck is to hold our head up. It helps us look left, right, up, and down. Question 21. What is the joint that connects your hand to your arm? Elbows, nose, wrist. Wrist. The function of the wrist is to bend our hand. It helps us wave, draw, and turn pages. Question 22. What do we call the joint at the bottom of the leg? Ankle, hair, nose. Ankle. The function of the ankle is to bend our foot. It helps us walk, dance, and balance. Question 23. What is this middle part of your hand? Fingers, palms, arms. Palms. Your palms are the soft inside part of your hands that you can clap with. Question 24. Do you know what this is? Elbows, hair, lips. Lips. The function of the lips is to help us talk and eat. Lips also help us blow kisses and bubbles. Question 25. Do you know what these are? Fingernails, nose, lips. Fingernails. Your fingernails protect the tips of your fingers and help you scratch an itch. Question 26. What is this part of the hand? Toes, thumb, ears. Thumb. The function of the thumb is to help us hold things tight. We use it to give a thumbs up. Question 27. Can you name this part? Eyebrows, lips, eyelid. Eyelid. The function of the eyelid is to protect our eyes. It closes to help us sleep and blink.
Great job! You did the library challenge with Nisa. Ready for another challenge? Let's meet again in the Magic Library.